Hi guys, it's Harry from Cyclone here, and today we've got the first ever video of the channel, and today we're going to be restoring this, I think it's a 2005 dual processor 2 GHz PowerMac G5. There's a couple of problems with it. I believe the optical drive is faulty, and I think we're just going to take whatever discs are out of it and put a new hard drive in there. So yeah, I think it's got 2 gigs of RAM. It's got a bit of case damage here. I think we'll be looking at that maybe in a future video, maybe trying to repair case damage. So yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, so we'll just crack off the side panel. This was my machine, my main machine, probably 5 or 6 years ago now. So it's dusty it was in here. Sure. So I'll get you a better angle. We'll have a look in here. Okay, so we've got a better angle there. Basically, I think in this episode, what we're going to be doing is just the hardware. So you can see over here, I've got a new optical drive from eBay for £6, and there's a hard drive that was just in my collection. This is just a 320GB SATA disk, and this is just a Molex and IDE DVD multi-recorder, so it should read and write with dual layer discs as well for Leopard. Okay, so let's get cracking here. Okay, so let's start with removing your optical drive. I think you just move these to the side like that. And I can see that IDE cable is very short, so what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to reach it in there. So if I try to disconnect it from the motherboard, it should give us some room to pull it out. It's very tight in there. There we are. Pulled that out. There's the IDE. I remember sometimes this stuff's very sticky on there, so it's probably easier to disconnect it from the motherboard. Let's start, disconnect that, and disconnect the Molex. There we are. What we'll have to do is just remove this faceplate and the screws, so I'll get you a better angle and I'll be back with you in a moment. Right, so here we are guys, we've got you a better angle. So I think we'll just start with taking this little bracket off. I think does it just burn off, does it? Yeah, it just falls off. Okay, so it's got a little, not sure what this is for, it's just a little surrounder thing. Alright, let's see if we've got the right size screwdriver. These screws, it's like a hex screw by the looks of it. Let's try this little one I've got. Does that fit? Yeah, I think that's fine. Let's take these 4 out. Cool, a bit tight. Sorry, my hands are annoying. So, I think this is the original optical drive this thing shipped with, because it's got the Class 1 laser product sticker there, and it's got the warranty sticker from when I bought it off from some business seller. So yeah, there's our old optical drive, so let's get our new one in. Here's our new one. I think it's I think I bought it as a Toshiba unit. Can't see Toshiba on there though. Anyway, let's just get these screws on. Easy to get on. Right, let's try and get this bracket on. Not sure how it holds on. I think does it just hold on? Oh, it clipped on. Nope. I think that should be fine. I'll just get the IDE cable plugged in. The other way, that's it. Right, so I'll get you back in the other angle in just a second. Let's just get this optical drive back in, guys. I think that's right. I think it's in a slightly different place, so it's not going to stick in the same place. So rest on there. Right, let's get this in. Plug that Molex in. Try this in there. There we go. I'm trying to thread this blue ID cable, back down there. If I can, pull that through. Yep, that's through. I'll slide this into its locators. I think that's in. Let's push those back in. Like so. I think that's the optical drive done. Alright, so next up is to tackle these hard drives. We're going to need a flathead to do these. I think I remember these little clips here, they just need to pop out. So let's slide those up. Remove these SATA cables. So we've got 2 discs in here, I'm not sure what the capacities are. I have trouble getting these out. I think I got it. There we are. Let's pull straight out. Let's release that clip again. There we are. So this is a 160 gigabyte drive, 7200 RPM. Okay, pop that one down there. Let's do the same for the other disc. Plug the SATAs. I think this one's a bit different because it sort of slides down onto the sort of the middle row. This one's really stuck. That's it. Like so. And that's that disc. And yeah, this is also a 160 white disc. So both Samsung. So what I'll do is I'll get the camera angle changed again, and we'll get the screws off the disc. Right, so let's take the screws off these discs, shall we? These are just sort of little rubber guide screws, I think, just so they guide through into the rails properly. Just quickly remove these. Just 4 on each drive on each corner. One disc. Well, and let's install screws on the new disc. Okay, and the last one. Right, so we'll get this disc installed, and we'll put these screws back in the little slots where you can put them when you've got spare screws. So I'll get you on a new angle, and I'll do that now. Okay, so I've just got you a new angle there. They actually just go here, the spare screws. So there's 4 little holes. So what I'll do is just pop these in. You just screw in to the plastic, just so you know where you are. If you need to put a second disc in, there's no point of just put them in your pot of screws. You'll just lose them. And there's special little rubber guides as well. And now we'll get the disc installed. There we go, it's 4 in. What we'll do is we'll get the hard drive installed as well. So if you want it in the top bay, you need to actually start slotting it in the middle, and then it sort of goes up. So let's get these SATA cables out of the way. And you need to lift it up, right in these cables. push in like that. Now you can get these SATA cables connected. Power and data. Now connected. Put the lock down. And there we are. We're not going to be putting a second disc in here, so yeah. Do you know what, guys? I actually just forgot that we actually need to put the we need to remove the sort of the trim piece on the front of the drive bay, otherwise it's not going to open. So I'll just get you a new angle. I'm going to do that now. Okay, I don't think we're going to have to completely remove it again, so you should be able to do it whilst it's in. Okay, get it out. Stuck for some reason. There we are. Yeah, we should be able to do it just here. I need a little pin just to open that drive up. There we are. Should just pull off. There we are. Just slides up. Yeah. Now I should be able to open through the front now. You can just swap this back in. I think we're good to go. Yeah, slide in. Yep. Perfect. Also need to reconnect there to the motherboard. Brilliant. That's that done. Okay, I'm just going to be putting the air shroud on the side panel, and then that's the hardware for this one done. I'm also planning on upgrading the graphics card soon. Not sure what graphics card, so if you've got any suggestions, just leave them down in the comments. And so yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my first video, and if you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.